The region has faced numerous challenges as transport systems grind to a halt. These weather systems unleashed intense snowfall across the peninsula, paralyzing daily life and prompting emergency measures. A powerful cyclone hit the area last week, bringing strong winds and record snowfalls. The height of snow reached 3 meters or more. Cars, houses, and some parts of buildings were buried under snow. 2 men were killed by snow falling from roofs. Rooftop snow accumulation has resulted in avalanches, which have tragically claimed lives. Blockages on roads have isolated entire neighborhoods. Power outages have become commonplace, further complicating the situation. Locals were seen shoveling snow in the streets as traffic resumed on snow-covered roads. Locals have dubbed the recent extreme weather a snow apocalypse, as most ground floor